This salad is almost too easy. Chicken, eggs, a few crunchy add-ins, 5 minutes of chopping, and you've got a creamy, protein-packed bowl. First, I hard-boil the eggs in lightly salted water. In a separate pot, I simmer the chicken breasts until tender. Stay with me. In a minute, we'll turn this into a quick, satisfying salad that works for lunch or guests. I dice the cooked, cooled chicken and add it to a bowl. That's our filling high-protein base. Then I finely chop the eggs and add them in. They make the salad extra creamy and mellow. I dice a few radishes for crunch and a little pop of color. I add chopped chives for a light onion flavor, or you can use a little finely sliced leek or green onion. Next, I dice some pickles and add them in. That tangy bite balances the creamy dressing perfectly. I add drained canned corn for a touch of sweetness. Then I season with salt and black pepper to taste. For the dressing, I mix in mayo, but my favorite lighter version is mostly thick Greek yogurt with just a spoon or two of mayo. And it's done. A simple chicken salad that's creamy, crunchy, and great for meal prep or a quick get-together. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you like fast, high-protein recipes like this, subscribe and come back for more.